a much needed plant care vlog. Always save your scraps. What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog. I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a much needed plant care vlog. We are going to be taking care of my plants, doing a couple of things around in my little plant corner. This is what I like to call my little plant nook, where I have all my plants at, and it needs some TLC. The other day I had let my plants out to get some sun, and I forgot about them. So a few of them are starting to die, like my pathos. If you can see here, they're starting to turn yellow. And up there, I have a piece of stem that's broken off. So I'm actually this is actually the longest plant that I have, and I actually have to cut it down. So I'm not worried about it, because usually when you cut them down, they grow back a lot. Also, in between the dead ones, I do still have some babies that are coming on the nodes. So I would like to give them room to grow. Also, anything that I've cut off, I can now grow in water to give me stems, so I can get a whole new plant from it. That's one of the things I love about plants, is a lot of what I have indoors can be grown from itself. So you guys, make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this together. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is actually take this plant down, and I have it pinned up with just some push pins. That's it. I don't use anything fancy. But yeah, this is breaking down, and I need to get up there and get it. Okay, I got it down, and it already broke off right here. You can see it. It broke off there. So the other piece is over here. And as you can see, this is the piece that broke off. So basically, the good thing about this is we have a lot of nodes on here. So we will be able to grow more pathos from this. So it's okay. That's what I tell people all the time. Like, all this has to go anyway. So I'm gonna pull those off. I'm gonna put these in water. So off of this stem, I should probably be able to get like 4 or 5 plants off of this. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And then I still have this side. Let me move you guys up so you can see. So I still have this side here. And this is still pretty long. Also, if you notice inside of here, I actually even have babies growing. So I still have some growing inside of that pot, about 2 of them. So I'm gonna just take this down, and I'm gonna go through, get all these plants off of here, because I need to clean this up anyway. We're gonna water some, and then I'm gonna put some in some soil, but the first thing we're gonna do is take care of the one that's broken. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take care of the one that is growing out of the pot. So right there at that dead end, I'm gonna cut that off. And typically I would have garden scissors, but mine broke. So I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna snip this, and I'm gonna snip it at an angle, just like that, to get that dead part off. And as you can see, I got a lot of babies like growing in there. So I think I'm gonna trim this down, and I'm gonna start this plant over, and I think I'm gonna trim it here. Right there, that's a good end spot, because it has some babies growing there too. This can become its own plant, and I probably can get like 2 plants off of this. So we're actually gonna trim this down, guys. And when you cut it, try to cut it below where the little node is, because you want that to be able to give you a plant. So boom. So now my plant ends there. I have healthy babies there. So that's really, really, really good. I'm also gonna go through and peel off some of these that are dying, because like this one is dying, but it has a baby there. So I'm gonna try to snip that off. And all of these that are like discolored. So I'm just gonna put some music over this, y'all, and we're gonna go through and trim this down. Okay guys, so I cut that plant back, so here we go. So it's about this long now. Now one thing I do like is to grow my plants up. I like having them growing up the wall. I just feel like they grow a lot better like that. And as you can see, it has some babies growing in there. So I think this plant will just come right back and probably longer than before. Okay, so we'll put that one to the side. And then now, as you can see, this will be a new plant. It already has some growth, so I'm just gonna put this in water. And this one has like a fresh one on the end right there. So yeah, that one's definitely gonna grow. I might can even cut that down a little bit more and make this into 2. And then even your stems, I soak these in water and they end up getting sprouts and they become whole new plants. This one will be another plant, and this one's gonna be pretty long. I'm gonna put this side in the water because it has babies there and I know they'll grow out. That's another thing, you wanna put the edge of in the water that has like the little nodes on it or some growth on it. And I'm gonna do the same thing with that. So now we have 4 or 5 new plants off of one dead stem for the top. So you always save your scraps. They can grow from themselves. So we're gonna put these in some water, probably take all this stuff down, wipe it down, and I'm gonna reorganize my plants. Okay guys, as you can see here, I have 2 long cylinder vases full of water. I actually got one of these from the Dollar Tree, and I think one of these from thrifting. Also, when you get your flowers, a lot of your flowers come in these, so make sure you save them. I just reuse them over and over. So I want to use this one for my long ones, actually this one, that are just stems. So I have a couple that are just stems down here. So these are just the stem pieces, and I'm literally just gonna dump them in this water. And you will see over time, they will start to get little pieces of leaf growing out of them, and those will be your new babies. And over time, you're able to plant those in dirt, or you can grow these in water. You don't have to take these out of the water if you don't want. So I'm just gonna take some and put them in water. That one may be too long. I'm gonna save that one for this one. I think this one I'm just gonna do like babies, like this. So I'm just gonna put these in water. And then I may fill it up so that it gives it a little hang time. And this is really cute until your plants grow. So I love that. So we're just gonna go through and add these to water before we clean everything. And since I only have a couple of the long cylinder, I'm gonna put more water in that. I'm just gonna grow multiple together. You don't have to separate them all. You can grow them together. Let me put some more water in here. I can actually take it out of this. Boom. And this will grow and pop the leaves out a little bit. And that over time will grow. So there we have it. And in a few weeks, these will all sprout. This will be 5 different plants. guys, now we are done with the top. I'm just gonna organize the bottom a little bit. I have this plant that I actually, when my aunt passed away, I got this nice kind of serving bowl, and I decided to put plants in it and give it life again. So I just put random pieces in here just to see if they would grow. And as you can see, they have all started to grow. So I love that. So like any little random dead piece, any stems, I said this is gonna be my bowl of life. And everything that I put in there has started to grow. So I just add little pieces here and there to that. No perfect, I don't even know everything that's growing in there. Right now I see some pathos, and I think this little piece is a piece of snake plant. But I love that it actually grows. So now I'm gonna put some on the bottom here, and I'm just gonna wipe it down and then organize this bottom. I'm gonna go through and water everything, and also some of these plants need a little topsoil added, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of topsoil. So stay tuned. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna go through and spray some of my plants down and get them nice and hydrated. I didn't have enough topsoil, so I'm gonna go get some tomorrow, and I'll add topsoil to all of my plants. But I'm just gonna go through and spray them down real quick. I always, of course, water the soil, but I do like going through and just spraying them as well. The leaves need a little love too. Those new babies are growing, I want to make sure that they're nice and hydrated. Thank you guys so much for watching today's plant vlog. I hope you guys learned a lot. Make sure you check out my other plant vlogs that I do have linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.